So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to fix iPhone Apple ID stuck when try to sign in. It will show that it will signing in after few minutes. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix that issue. If you're also facing that issue, there are 3 to 4 reasons that your Apple ID cannot log in your iPhone. Firstly, move to the first one. The first one is check your internet connection. If you have connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data, you can easily access and sign in your Apple ID. To check that, open Safari browser and search any website. If it's working well, then try to log in again. Okay, if that method not working, then move to the next one. The next one is open your iPhone setting. In setting, you need to tap on general. Okay, after tapping the general option, you need to scroll down and tap on shutdown and restart your mobile after 5 to 10 seconds, and then try to sign in again your Apple ID. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one is forced to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just force to restart your iPhone and then try to log in again your Apple ID. Okay, if that method is also not working, then make sure you have enough storage to sign in your Apple ID. To check your iPhone storage, open iPhone setting, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. If you don't have any storage, just make some storage and then try to log in again your Apple ID. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the last one. The last one is open iPhone setting, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, tap on reset all setting and done that, and then try to again log in Apple ID on your iPhone. Okay friends, by doing that simple step, you can easily fix that your Apple ID not signing in. It's stuck on signing in within few minutes. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.